All right, today's SPY was up 0.09%, and we're still sitting above this bull breakout at 595, and objectively above 595. This is still a very bullish trend, and I have all of the higher lows shown here. So while we're above 595, we are at a higher low into a higher high breakout. But I will warn you, I do think there's a chance for a pivot high here, which means from one of these levels, we could get a pretty decent pullback, which could last for a few weeks. So while we are bullish above 595, that is your risk level. And if we can't hold above 595 and we start to roll over and breaking down below it, I would be very quick to get risk off because I do think we can get a sizable pullback here. Now, longer term, I still think we're going to all-time highs this year. I still think SPY will trade somewhere around 630 before the end of the year. So if you're just a long-term investor and holder and you don't care about volatility, then there's no reason to panic here. But if you're a short-term tactical trader, I do think you should be looking for a possible pivot high, which could be at 604 or lower, and that will be evident in the price if we start to roll over here and then we start to break down below 595. That is going to be your sign from price that we may have seen a temporary high and we're due for a pullback. So as I always tell you, let the price action do all the talking. You do not need to try to short this market. You do not need to try to time the exact high, but I would be prepared to manage risk if indeed price rolls over and starts to break down below 595 on SPY. Keep it that simple. Have a trade plan, react to price only. Price is the only thing that matters on this chart. Do not care if anybody thinks we're going higher or lower. Let the price tell you and guide your trade plan. Your trade plan should be based on where the price is on the chart, and while we're above 595, it is completely fine to stay bullish, but keep in mind if we do break down below 595, it is also a great idea to get risk off and very quickly. On the NASDAQ 100 triple Qs, we were at 0.15% today, and we're getting extremely close to that price target that I had up there at 533 to 534. And again, just like SPY, I think there's a possibility that we roll over here and start to put in a high before a pullback. And I do think that pullback could be very deep in the month of June, and that means you should be on the lookout for it. And the critical support here for the triple Qs to stay bullish above is 522. If for any reason we roll over and break down below 522, that's your cue from price that we're going lower, and that would take us down towards 512 and then 506. And if we can't hold 506, we really start to flush down into the 490s. So again, there's no need to try to short or call a top, but definitely be on the lookout for a rollover and die type look in the month of June because it could be coming up right around the corner. And if we don't roll over, you have no need to take any action because we'll stay above 522 and we'll just continue to push higher. So right now it is still a bull trend until it's not. So do not think for 1 second you have to try to be shorting this market. I just would be on guard and prepared to manage risk if the triple Qs cannot hold above 522. So keep it that simple. I think you'll do very well in the month of June. I do think June could be very volatile. Even if we just trade around in a range and go nowhere, it's still going to be volatile from the highs to the lows of the range. So keep all of that in mind as you prepare for the month ahead, and I think you'll do very well. Year to date, we are currently up 19.14%, and this is my trade alert service, which means you could have this exact same performance. All you need to do is be a member of TSC Trade Alerts, and you will get all of the buy and sell alerts for my exact percent allocations for the T triple Q and the S triple Q. We also have bonus trades that we are absolutely crushing, and we still have a 100% profit rate on those, and those are not reflected in this performance. So many of the members are up even more than this year to date because we are still winning on the bonus trades as well. If you want to come and join TSC Trade Alerts, you can find out how to join by clicking on the link in the description of this video or the comment section. So thank you for watching, everybody. Now go crush this market.